Hello everyone and welcome to Devpool. Today the software industry is facing a massive paradox. We have a record number of computer science graduates, yet startups are struggling to hire production ready engineers. Why? Because traditional resumes are dead. They are easily hyperinflated by generative AI, making it impossible to know if a candidate can actually code. Meanwhile, junior developers are stuck in a catch 22. They can't get a job without experience and they can't get experience without a job. To solve this, we built Devpool, a dual engine platform that automates technical recruitment for founders while providing a safe, experiential shadow learning environment for students. Let me show you how exactly it works by walking through the platform from three different perspectives: the founder, the developer, and the learner. I am currently logging in as a startup founder using GitHub authentication. When I am ready to build my team, I don't just throw a job description into the void. I build a targeted recruitment pipeline. The very first thing Devpool asks me is what kind of talent am I looking for. I can post a developer project for complex production ready tasks, a learner task specifically designed as a good first issue for students, or a hybrid project to cast a wider net. Let us say I need a senior dev engineer, so I select a developer project. Now I need to fill in the details of my project, and I need to ensure I don't waste time interviewing unqualified candidates. This is where Devpool shines. I can define my exact evaluation pipeline. If I select require test and interview, Devpool instantly generates a dynamic test builder. I can create timed multiple choice screening questions. Instead of manually reviewing hundreds of fake resumes, this system acts as an automated technical recruiter. Let's look at the results. Once developers apply, I come to my Manage Project dashboard. I don't have to sift through these applicants manually. The system will automatically grade their technical assessments and sort everyone from highest to lowest score. The top candidate is right here with the perfect score batch. But I want to be absolutely sure before I hire. I click View, which triggers our AI trust engine. This pings the GitHub API, pulls the developer's public repository data, and feeds it into our Cerebrus large language model. Within seconds, I get a verified profile score, a breakdown of their coding habits, diagnostics, and suggested project ideas. I am no longer guessing. I have mathematical based data. Because I required an interview, my next step is to schedule a call. I simply click schedule, select date and time, and Devpool automatically generates a unique private Jitsi video room for us. When it's time for the interview, both candidate and I can jump straight into the live embedded video call right here in the dashboard. Once I'm satisfied, I end the call and select accept. Because I logged in with my GitHub, Devpool securely fetches my repositories. I select the exact code base, click confirm, and our Python backend automatically fires off an official GitHub collaboration invite to the developer. The hiring pipeline is 100% complete without ever leaving the platform. Now let us log in at the developer side. I'm logging in as a developer using my GitHub authentication. When a developer finds a project, they can't just spam the apply button. They are greeted with a warning that a timed assessment is required. Once they start, the timer locks in, ensuring that they actually know the tech stack. Once hired, Devpool ensures remote work integrity. Instead of highly intrusive spyware, and we built a computer vision microservice in Python using MediaPipe and OpenCV. While the developer works, it analyzes their eye aspect ratio and facial landmarks every 500 milliseconds. If they become highly distracted or fatigued, it gently sends localized browser alerts to keep them focused. Furthermore, to completely eliminate Gen AI plagiarism, developers must use our Cloudinary integration to record and upload a strict 2-minute video explanation of their code. If you wrote the code, you can explain it. Finally, how do we help students? We introduce shadow learning. Startups can post specific learner tasks, some free, some premium fee based. When the learner accepts, they don't get full access to break the company's code. Instead, we use role based access control to open a safe, read only environment powered by Monaco Editor, the exact same tech behind VS Code. Here, students can explore real
Hey,
production
are you
level.
sleepy? Why can't you take some rest?
Here, students can explore real production level startup code. They can also chat with our context aware AI chatbot to break down complex logics. In conclusion, Devpool is entirely reshaping how the industry views entry level talent. By shifting the standard from trusting a resume to verifying the workflow through an AI analysis, timed assessments, and biometric tracking, we give founders absolute security. At the same time, we finally give students a legitimate experiential bridge into professional software engineering. Thank you.